This video shows the installation of the Falcon Nexus Equal Force steering stabilizer for the JL Wrangler. It fits all models of the JL Wrangler and is relatively easy to install. Falcon JL steering stabilizers are available in an adjustable option, which features a fast adjust knob that can be set to one of three options. Soft is designed for off-road driving and rock crawling. Medium is great for general city driving, but it'll do well on most trails. Firm is best for highway driving, especially in high winds. To make installation easier, set the knob to soft. If you do this installation with the vehicle on the ground, you will need to disconnect the front track bar from the axle and move it out of the way to better access the bolts on the steering stabilizer bracket. Remove the factory steering stabilizer, starting with the two bolts connecting the bracket to the tie rod. The bolts tend to bind up on the tie rod when the steering is centered, but turning the wheel to the right will allow the bolts to slip out. Remove the three bolts connecting the steering stabilizer to the axle. With the stabilizer fully removed from the vehicle, remove the bolt connecting the steering stabilizer to the tie rod end bracket. This bolt will be reused. Install the Falcon Nexus EF steering stabilizer onto the axle using the factory hardware and torque to 30 foot-pounds. Install one of the provided carriage bolts into the new top bracket and spacer. Place the assembly onto the tie rod and install a second carriage bolt. Put the bottom bracket into position and loosely install the provided nuts. Using the hardware from the factory steering stabilizer, attach the eyelet to the bracket. You may need to adjust the steering stabilizer length to get the eyelet to align with the bracket. Tighten down all three nuts and torque them to 59 foot-pounds. Thank you for watching this installation of the Falcon Nexus Equal Force steering stabilizer for the JL Wrangler. To stay up to date on all Falcon Shocks products, subscribe to our YouTube channel.